Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on methods of improving commutation. In previous class, what is commutation? In different instants, how commutation is caused. Every instant we have to discuss. Here, in case of this commutation, generally armature conductors are producing the current in alternating, but the flow of current to the external circuit is unidirectional. Because of the armature windings lies half part under the north pole and remaining under the south pole. This all this condition, how it is the current induced and how the fluxes are produced, everything we have to discuss in the previous class. But at this way, every instant, the function of the commutator is to convert alternating current into direct current. So here, commutation, how commutation is occurred due to reversal of current is called commutation. So already you are observing in the diagram that there is a commutator, coil, shaft, which are located under north and south poles. These are having brushes located on the magnetic neutral axis. And at a different instant of commutation or reversal of current we have to discuss. On completion of this period, you would be able to know that methods of improving commutation, resistance commutation, EMF commutation. So here we are going to discuss about methods of improving commutation. Improving commutation means to take current reversal in the short circuited coil as sparkless as possible. There are two methods improving commutation. One is resistance commutation, second one is EMF commutation. So here you can see that there are commutator segment, commutator coils, brush. What I taught in the previous class is brush width is which is equivalent to the commutator segment and mica insulation. And at a different instant we are observing that brush is located on the segment B or segment 2 or 1, whatever you are giving the number. So coil A, coil B, coil C. Coil C, there is a current passed to the segment 20 amperes. Coil B, there is a current passed to the segment 20 amperes. Total current passed through the segment B is 40 ampere. Brush collected current is also 40 ampere. In second instant, we have to observe that there is a commutator is rotate from the left to right. Brush is shifted 1/4. Remaining brush is lying in the adjacent of the coil A, that is 3/4. The current passed in the segment B is 30 amperes. Segment A is 10 ampere. Therefore, here brush collecting current is 40 ampere. And instant 3 also we are observing that again the brush is rotated from the left to right. Commutator rotated from left to right. Brush shifted to 2/4 part of the segment 2 or A, whatever we are number is given. A segment remaining 2/4 lie in the segment 1. So here current receiving by these two segments are through coil A and coil B, 20 ampere and 20 ampere, that is 40 amperes. Next, same commutator is rotated. Brush shifted to the coil segment A, or number 2. Here the current in the segment is 3/4, that is 30 ampere. In B is or 1 is the current is 10 amperes. Here the brush collected by this current is 40 amperes. And last instant the brush shifted to the and occupied the total area of the segment A. But due to the self-induced EMF in the coil, there is small voltage, a small current will pass through the segment B, and remaining 15 ampere current through the coils and short circuit current will pass. But in this condition, because of the brushes, copper brushes are connected, because these are the low resistance, then current in the air passed to the brush. So 5 ampere and coil B which is carrying the 50 ampere, coil A which is carrying the 20 ampere, total 40 ampere collected by the brush. In this instant there is spark is happen. Commutation is disturbed, then we call bad commutation. Sparking is appear, then we call bad commutation. To avoiding this, we are going to discuss various commutation method to improve the commutation. Number 1 is resistant commutation, 2 is EMF commutation we have learned. So here I am going to discuss about one by one commutation techniques for improvement of the commutation. The reversal of current in a coil take place while the coil is short circuited by the brush. Therefore, there are two parallel paths from the current as long as the short circuit exists. If the contact resistance between the brush and commutator is made large, the current would divide in the inverse ratio of contact resistance. This is a key point in improving a commutation. This is achieved by using carbon brushes instead of copper brushes. which have high contact resistance. Actually, why this spark is happening due to the cause is brushes are having copper. Because of these are low resistive. Due to small EMF induced in the coil, which cause a small current to pass through the segment. Due to the low resistance, the current is passed through the brush on the air or formed as an arc. This will cause a spark and cause to and called this is process bad commutation. To improve and to avoid this bad commutation, we are to following these methods. And we are going to change the brushes into copper brushes into carbon brushes. Here, brushes having the material is copper because of low resistance. We are replaced by carbon brushes because of high resistance. And this type of method which is called resistance commutation. Here you can see that these are the coils. So these are the coils, armature coils. These are the commutator segments. Commutator segments. So here this brush, this is the brush. So commutator which is rotate left to right. By rotation of this commutator, brushes shift to the left side. And which is having the we are giving the name commutator segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like or A, B, C like. And coils also you give the name A, B, C. Here A coil is commutator or short circuited coil. You can see that this is a brush. The width of this brush is equivalent to the segment 1 and mica insulation. This is the mica insulation and the segment 1. The width of the segment 1 and mica insulation which is equivalent to the width of the brush. In this condition, the brush which is having copper brushes. So these brushes are having low resistance. Under commutation process, when short circuit of the coil is happen, some of the EMF is induced in this coil. This brush is shifted to the segment 1 to segment 2. Segment 1 to segment 2 and current in this coil is due to the cell coil there is EMF induced. Small current will be jump through the brush which is called sparking. Which is called sparking. Like this is when which is shifted at this condition from this to so and these are spark like this is due to this sparking we will get the bad condition by reversal of the current. We will get in this condition bad condition because sparking has happened. To avoid this condition, we have to learn this resistant commutation method. What are the importance here? Resistance commutation method is brushes is replaced as carbon brushes because of which is having high resistance. Which is having high resistance. When these are shifted on the segment 2, these are replaced as a carbon brushes and these are having high resistance. With effect of this one, you can see that current in coils Can I erase this all? So this brush under short circuit coil under commutation. So this brush is shifted on segment 2. So here you can see that this coil having the current 20 ampere 20 ampere. When which is shifted on segment, there are some current passed through this coil which is having two paths. Here coil which is having two paths. One path is carrying current I, second path short circuit coil which is having current X, and this current is also 20 ampere. This is IC. When brush is shifted across this condition, there is a current passed in the coil because of there is a two parallel path. Because of in this two parallel paths, these two parallel paths current collected by this brush is 2I. Due to the connection of resistance R1 and R2 in this parallel path, resistance R1 is due to shifting of the brushes, the area of the segment is decreased. The area of the segment is increased when brushes shift, decrease when this area lost by this that segment. So we have to see that next one. I am going to discuss some few points for the combination of the resistance. You have to see. Once again, I can repeat same points. High contact resistance are having by carbon brushes for improving the competition in coil A. You are observing reversal of current. The brush is entirely on segment 1. Therefore, the current in coil A is 20 ampere. The coil A is undergo competition. As armature rotates, the brush short circuit the coil A, and there are two parallel paths for the current into the brush. The instant when the brush is 1/4 on segment 2 and 3/4 on segment 1, already I have to discuss. The equivalent circuit you will get, which is having the two parallels are having resistance R1 and resistance R2. So resistance here brush is segment. This is segment which is having 1/4. This segment having 3/4. Brush contact area he in on the segment 1 is decreased. Solely here is increased. Slowly in this condition is increased. So 1/4 means this segment which is collect the current 10 ampere, this segment which is collect the current of 30 ampere. Total current collected by this is 40 ampere. The value of current in the parallel path of the equivalent circuit are determined by respective resistance paths. Resistor R2 has 3 times the resistance of resistor R1. Therefore, the current distribution in the path will be given. Note, the current in coil A is reduced from 20 ampere to 10 ampere due to division of current. If the copper brushes is used, the current in coil A would not have to reduce 10 ampere. So here you can see the brush is shifted to on this segment 2, and half of the portion, half of the area occupied by this brush remaining on segment 1, one half of the part in segment 1, half of the part in segment 2. And this brush is shifted, there is a half part is different. In the condition, you can see here, in the previous condition, what is shown the slide. 1 by 4th part is shifted on segment 2. 3 by 4 part is lying on the segment 1. There is a cross section area is more on segment 1. Area of the segment 1 is more. Less segment area on 2. We know the equation, that is R is equal rho L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. When area is increased, resistance is decreased. When area is decreased, resistance is increased. So here this is located, the bus is located on segment 1. This is located on segment 2. In this condition, segment 1 brush is shifted. When commutator is rotated from left to right, brush is shifted to the right to left. Brush is, so here you can see that the resistance, the area of the segment 1 is reduced, and the area of the here segment 1 is increased. In this condition, R1 is resistance, R1 is increases, R1 is increases. There is no cause to affect a current pass through the segment 1, and avoiding the competition in this condition. But current passed through the R2, because of area of the segment 2 is increases, resistance R2 is decreases. The decreasing of this, there is a more ways to pass the current through the this path, because of and per this parallel path to this brush. As the carbon brushes passes over the commutator, the contact area with the segment 2 increases, and that with segment 1 is decreases, that is R2 decreases, R1 increases. Therefore, more and more current passes to the brush through segment 2. Right? See that. There is a segment. It may be noted that the main cause of sparking during commutation is the production of reactance voltage, and carbon brushes cannot prevent it. Nevertheless, the carbon brushes to help in improving commutation. The other minor advantages of carbon brushes are the carbon lubricates, the carbon lubricates and polishes the commutator. If the sparking occurs, it damages the commutator less than with copper brushes, and the damage to the brush itself is of little importance. Right? So here you can see that condition is Same condition, it is shifted on the segment 2 and the area occupied by this brush is 3 by 4th. 1 by 4th is located on the segment 1. The area of this is reduced, resistance is increases. In this case, the resistance is reduced. In this case, area is increased, the resistance is decreased. So there is a current is passed in the direction. So total current is 30 ampere. From this current is 20. 10 plus 20 is 30 ampere current passed through the segment 2. A remaining portion is 10 ampere of current passed through the segment 1. Brush collected by this current is 40 ampere. So here, brush is completely shifted on segment 2, which is not lying on segment 1. And high resistance, which is having path 1, low resistance path 2. Therefore, the current on coil A 20 ampere, which is 20 ampere collected by this brush is 40 ampere of current. Next one is condition is EMF commutation method. EMF commutation method is in this method neutralize the reactance voltage by producing a reversing EMF in the short circuit coil under commutation. This reversing EMF is an EMF opposition to the reactance voltage. If its value is make an equal, thereby producing quick reversal of commutation in the short circuit coil, which will result in sparkless commutation. So this is called EMF commutation. What I discussed in the EMF commutation? In this method of commutation, an arrangement is made to neutralize the reactance voltage by producing reversal voltage in the coil under commutation. The reversing voltage acts in opposition to the reactance voltage and neutralize it to some extent. If the reversing voltage is equal to the reactant voltage, then we will get sparkless commutation, which is also having two type of method. When neutralize means reactance voltage is equal to the reversing voltage, we will get a quick reversal of commutation, good commutation, avoided spark. And this is also in two ways, by brush shifting, by using interpoles. In this method, the brushes are given sufficient forward lead to bring the short circuit coil under the influence of next pole of opposite polarity. Since the short circuit coil is now in the reversing field, the reversing voltage produced cancel the reactance voltage. Having some drawbacks by implication of applying this type of method, these are: reactant voltage depends upon the armature current. Therefore, the brush shift will depend on the magnitude of armature current, which keeps on changing. This necessity frequent shifting of brushes. The greater armature current, greater must be forward lead for a generator. This increases the demagnetizing effect of armature reaction and further weakening the magnetic field. These are the two methods most important for improving the commutation. One is the resistance commutation method. Second one is EMF commutation method. So here we remember that resistance commutation method, initially brushes which are having copper brushes, because of low resistance brushes, then we will get some sparks. To avoiding this, we are connecting or we are replacing carbon brush. In place of the carbon brush, we are connecting carbon brushes. Here carbon brushes are having high resistance brushes. To improve the commutation, we are connecting the brushes or we are replacing the brushes as carbon brushes. So here you can see that, and also this condition is we had discussed that depend upon their segment area. When commutator rotate from the left to right, brush shifted from the segment 1 to segment 2. When which is shifted on segment 1 to segment 2 when occupied, but the area is 1 by 4th on the segment 2, 3 by 4 on lie on 3 by 4 on segment 1. The area is reduced in case of the brush shifting, that is on segment 1 is 3 by 4th and lie on the 1 by 4th on segment 2. This shifting and this change in the area will cause on segment 1 is there is a resistance is increased and area is decreased. In case of segment 2, area is increases and resistance is decreases. And every instant we have to observe that one first instant, second, third, and fourth instant, the brush is shifting from one position to another position at 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. Here you can see that in 3 by 4 position, the area increased on segment 2, brush is shifted on segment 2, 1 by 4th lie on segment 1, means the area is completely decreased and resistance in these two paths, R1 is which is increases, R2 which is decreases, and completely shifted to the brush 2. The segment, the brush is completely lie on the segment 2, means there is no area on segment 1 and there is no and complete area across the brush, therefore reversal of commutation we will get. So here we can completely avoid the disturbances of or bad commutation by using this resistance commutation. This process will help to improve the commutation method. Second one is EMF commutation. Actually, what is that? This method neutralize in case of the EMF commutation, which is neutralize the reactance voltage by producing react by producing reversing EMF in the short circuit coil. Under commutation, this reversing EMF in an EMF opposite to the reactance voltage. If its value is make equal, thereby producing quick reversal of current in the short circuit coil, which will result in sparkless commutation. Right? So what I thought, these are important in this point of view. EMF computation also most important to improving the commutation. So we have learned these methods are most important one, and for understanding about the commutation and for improvement of the commutation, these are we are learn. Now I am going to discuss the question and answer session, that is related questions. Commutation is delayed due to, I will ask some questions, all of you can note and answer any one of them from ABCD, choice is yours. Commutation is delayed due to A. Leakage reactance, B. Effect of armature reaction, C. Leakage reactance and armature reaction, D. Because of other factors. Which one is the correct? A, B, C, D choices. Which one of the Correct. All of you answer this question. Commutation is delayed due to leakage reactants, effect of armature reaction, leakage reactants and armature reaction because of other factors. Which one is the correct? Answer C is correct. Right? The explanation is given. The leakage inductance LC of the coil undergoing commutation has induced in it reactance voltage LC DICB dt which oppose the current, thereby delaying commutation. The effect of armature reaction shift in magnetic neutral axis delaying the whole commutation process ultimately. So the answer is leakage reactance and armature reaction. Second question. Why brush shifting method is not employed in practical commutation? Expensive? A. Expensive. B. Construction problems. C. Cause demagnetization. D. Used practically. Which one is the correct? Right, C is the answer. Because of due to causes of demagnetization, brushes are located at geometrical neutral axis. A small voltage is induced in the commutating coil. It opposes current commutation as the commutating coil is cutting the flux which has the same sign as that of the pole being left behind. It could be partially impeded by shifting the brushes towards a magnetic neutral axis, but that cause direct demagnetize is therefore not employed in practice. So what is that? Why the brushes shifting method is not employed in practical computation is cause of due to the effect of demagnetization. What is that? Due to the effect of demagnetization. Next question. Which are the method for getting an ideal commutation? Resistance commutation, voltage commutation, current commutation, resistance voltage. Both the two methods are most important to getting the ideal commutation. Ideal commutation means there is no loss. There is no sparking happen. Adding resistance between the commutator segment and brushes, thus reducing L by R and consequently getting faster commutation is one of the method. In voltage commutation, when you introduce narrow poles called as the interpoles are passed in the process. So which are the methods for getting an ideal computation is resistance and voltage computation. The answer is resistance and voltage computation is correct. In resistance computation method, we add resistance between A. Brushes and external circuit, B. Commutator and armature winding, C. At field winding, D. Commutator and brush. D. High contact resistance between commutator segment and brushes achieved by using carbon brushes. Adds resistance to the circuit of commutating coil, thereby reducing the time on L by R of the current transient ACT, helping it to change faster desired direction. In resistance commutation method, we added resistance between commutator. We added resistance between commutator and brushes. We added here the resistance between commutator and brushes. What is the effect on time constant of transient current as a result of resistance computation? A. Remain same. B. Decrease. C. Increases. D. Increase then decrease. Which one is the correct answer? What is the effect on time constant of transient current as a result of resistance computation? Remain same. Decreases. B. Decreases. C. Increases. D. Increase then decrease. D answer is correct. D is the correct answer. So all of you once again you can remember in previous class and today's class I repeated and remembered that what is commutator, how it work in the different instance, what is ideal commutation, what is bad commutation, what is under commutation, over commutations. All these conditions are important we have to learn in the previous class. The function of the commutator is to convert alternating current into unidirectional current to the external circuit. This is definition of commutator. And the commutator is work in the different commutation process will be happen in the different instant in the commutator. So here discussing the commutation is the current reversal direction. Current reversal of is called commutation, which happen in the different instant. Every instant I explain that by shifting of the brush segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, segment 1, 2, 3, and completely when which is lie and the segment 2 due to the effect of the coil there are voltage is uh, pass through in air to the brush, there is a spark is happen. So to avoiding this spark happening conditions to for the improvement of the computation, we are going to follow the methods that are these methods are resistance method and EMF method. Here resistance method is different, EMF method is different. EMF method resistance. By shifting the brushes from segment 1 to segment 2, there are change in the area we are observing the both the two segment. One segment the area is reduced, second segment the area is increased. By increasing the area which path is a line by increasing on the area of the segment, that path will be have they have and reducing their resistance, which cause to pass a very high current to avoiding the sparks. Similarly, which area is increasing their which area is decreased in the segment, that will be caused to cause the cause to decrease and have caused high resistance. Means which is completely oppose the flow of sparks current and jump current through the air into the brushes. This will be avoided. So like this process, we are improving the commutation under short circuit coil under short circuit coil under commutation. This is the process we have to discuss in this class. And similarly, EMF method. By EMF method is generally which is a method. So reversal of voltage, when reversal of voltage is equal to the reactance voltage, we will get a quick reversal of commutation. So in case of EMF method of commutation, we must be assume that we must be follow as condition you can assume that reversal of voltage which is equivalent to reactance voltage, there is a quick reversal of commutation we will get. Then we will say this type of commutation is good commutation. Thank you all of you. Today I am going to close this period. Next we are going to discuss in the next class related issues of the commutations.